My name is Wayne Rollins. I originally had a snow skiing accident while I was racing, and during that accident I ripped every ligament in half in my knee. I had surgery which fixed that, which was successful for about 30 years. I then experienced a great amount of arthritis. They did the total knee replacement in November 30th of 2016. I was amazed. I started physical therapy the very next morning, and my recovery was amazingly fast. Here it is a year later. I have pretty much full motion of my knee. I do active sports. I run. I do cross training. I can virtually do any sport I wish to do, and I have zero pain. And in fact, when I do go running, I've noticed that my right knee, which had the knee replacement, is actually stronger than my left knee. Even though my left knee, there's nothing wrong with it, I just feel that it has more power and just strength, and it's just solid. So I really thank the Stone Clinic for having me as their patient, and I'd recommend this to anybody.